Today, I'm here to explain about this question. In the previous videos, I explained about the equation of a line, which is y equal mx plus b, and also the equation of a circle, which is which is x negative h squared plus y negative k squared is equivalent to r squared. Today, but in this question, you have to know the equation of parabola. Let me explain about it today. First of all, do you know what is parabola? The shape of parabola is like this or like that. And parabola is a function y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. This is parabola. Then what is the definition of parabola? In other words, how do you sketch parabola? Let me teach you today. To sketch parabola, you need 1 point and 1 line. First, let me put 1 point here, whose y value is p, and this point is called focus. And also, like I said, you need line to sketch parabola. It is here, whose y value is negative p, so it corresponds. Okay, and this one is y equal negative p. This line is called diacritics. Diacritics. Yes. Then, okay, let's start. Parabola is the set of all points in a plane equidistant from focus and diacritics. So, for example, here, this point, the distance from this point and the focus and this point from diacritics is same. So if you and also the point here, distance from focus and distance from diacritics is same. Then if you plot all points like that, the graph is going to be like this. This is parabola. Okay. And actually there are two kinds of parabola. First one is vertical parabola. Vertical parabola, as it says, the parabola like opens up or opens down. This is called vertical parabola. And the other one is horizontal parabola. Probably you can imagine that horizontal parabola is like the parabola opens left or parabola opens to the right. And the equation of vertical parabola and horizontal parabolas are different. So first let me explain about vertical parabola. The equation of a vertical parabola is 4py is equal to x squared. P is y value of focus. I mean here. And if the value of P is bigger than 0, the parabola opens up. So which means like this. And if the value of b is smaller than 0, the parabola opens down like this. So if you're not sure like why it happens, you can just try to sketch the parabola using the method I explained. Okay? And next, the equation of horizontal parabola. The equation is 4px is equivalent to y squared. Do you see any difference between them? Yeah, the difference is you just switch x and y. That's it. So you have to be careful. 4py is equal to x squared is the equation of vertical parabola. And 4px is equivalent to y squared is the equation of horizontal parabola. And similar to vertical parabola, when p is bigger than 0, the parabola opens to the left. So open to the right. So, right. So like this. And if p is smaller than 0, it opens to the left. Okay? So what you have to memorize is these two. Today I don't explain about why. You can home up this equation. So it's back to the question. The question is number A. You have to find the equation so that it opens up. Opens up means it's vertical parabola. So the equation is 4py is equal to x squared. Yes. Also, I forgot to say, this equation is for the equation of a parabola with vertex 0, 0. If vertex is different, the equation is going to be a bit different. I will explain about it in next video. But this video, I just use the parabola with vertex 0, 0. And this question also says vertex is 0, 0. So you can use this equation. And also it says it passes through -4, 2. So you can just, so this means, yeah, this equation passes through this point. So you can plug in this value into this equation. So let me plug in 4p times 2 is equivalent to -4 squared. 8p is equivalent to 16. You can just divide by 8 for both sides, and p is 2. Then you got the answer. You can just plug in 2 into p. So 8 times y is equivalent to x squared. This is the equation. Okay, the next question. B, find the equation so that it opens to the left. Open to the left means it's horizontal parabola. So the equation is 4px is equivalent to y squared. Then technically it's the same. You just plug in this number into this equation. So 4p times -4 is equivalent to 2 squared. -16p is equivalent to 4. You can divide by -16 for both sides, and p is -1/4. So the equation, you can just plug in this number into p in this equation. 4 times negative 1 over 4 times x is equal to y squared. Then you can simplify. Negative x is equal to y squared. Oops. That's it.